We're at Mission Beach. We arrived last night and we've just hired some bikes to start exploring. So we're staying in Treehouse Hostel in the forest, which is super cool. The area is called Bingle Bay, so it's sort of the northern end of Mission Beach, so biking is like the best way to get around.
Slash only way.
Unless
you have a car.
Unless you have heaps of money for taxis, or a car.
And you have a car.
So yeah, we're just headed down into Mission Town Centre and then probably carry on a little bit and do some more exploring. But we've just stopped at the Perry Harvey jetty because apparently you can see turtles from here. But
so far that's a lie.
We don't see any turtles. But we are on a mission to see a cassowary. Super nice scenery here. They call it where the rainforest meets the reef.
We've finally sort of gotten into saltwater croc territory and
jellyfish.
Yeah, and some nasty jellyfish. Both of which, well, croc's probably way worse than jellyfish, I think.
Well, you can die from both.
You can die from both.
But maybe more painful. I don't know, both would be painful.
The jellyfish was more than fine.
No.
The sign we read
you can
said
die.
Something like instant painful sting, and then after 30 minutes horrific nausea and anxiety and the feeling that you might die. So yeah, sadly no swimming when it's really, really hot. Sorry, I might have to bleep that out. Go for the badge. Let's ride. Is it working?
Testing.
Hello? Welcome to the actual Mission Beach. This is the actual beach. And butchers, loads of palm trees. So, what have we just been doing? We've just
had lunch at the #1 chipper.
They didn't have half the they didn't have half the fish that we wanted.
Yeah.
So
fried mackerel, which was good.
It was tasty though. Some calamari, chips, and I much appreciate the Aussies for their solid work, also doing gravy with chips. It's the best chip condiment.
So we come for a cycle down Mission Beach. We weren't sure if we were allowed, but some other people do.
Yeah, we saw other tracks, so we just followed them.
Yeah, we saw tracks. So we're having a little explore, and
Lauren wanted to go to the Instagram tree, the palm tree that sort of juts out into the beach like that. It's what all the Insta models, basic bees, but you're clearly one of them. You wanted to also be a basic bee.
It's just a really cool photo because there's really like unique palm trees here. They sort of like bend, almost like in a curve rather than going straight up. So yeah, when you see photos of Mission Beach, it's always people on those palm trees like sat on them, and it looks pretty picturesque. So I wanted it for that reason rather than trying to get Insta famous. But if that accidentally happens with the photo, then I mean, what can you do?
Yeah, because we don't care about social media and
but like and
being
subscribe,
big on
guys.
that. Yeah, enjoy the YouTube.
Leave a comment down below.
But anyway, back to the tree. Couldn't do it because somebody, fair enough to them I guess, was sunbathing next to it. But yeah,
I think she's got a monopoly on the tree and she actually charges people.
yeah, she was actually the original person to get a photo there.
She's 80 now.
Yeah.
So we're just having a cycle further down the beach to kill some time, and hopefully she'll go home for dinner.
Yeah.
And then we can
on the way
go
back.
later.
Yeah. But yeah, then we'll head back. But tonight we're actually going to go to this cafe down the road from the hostel, which has been rated #1 on TripAdvisor apparently for the best burgers. So
A few people have recommended it to us, so we're going to try it tonight.
Yeah.
And it looks super cute. It's called Bingle Bay Cafe.
on our way up to Cape Tribulation, when we were crossing the Daintree River, we got a boat tour along the Daintree River itself, which is sort of in the heart of the rainforest. We were doing the boat tour in the hopes of seeing some big crocodiles. Unfortunately, we didn't see any big ones, but we did get to see a hatchling and a yearling, and it was pretty impressive with the growth that they both actually managed in that amount of time.
Having a lovely wander in the afternoon down some remote looking beaches. Everything looks super tropical, like Paradise Island,
Indubitably.
but not paradise because of the crocodiles.
Oh yeah. This is safe enough. Distance might be a little bit close.
Picked up our car yesterday. We've just been exploring Cape Tribulation, so we picked it up in Cairns and then drove up. And then yeah, just been driving about in the car, enjoying the freedom.
Lauren's been getting bit. You probably can't actually see it.
Yeah,
a lot better now, but
my bit.
bit there. Legs as well.
Seriously munched up.
And I've been unharmed. You'll be happy and glad to know.
It's been really nice. Been really enjoying North Queensland. It's just so different, so picturesque. The rolling hills into the water. It's very nice.
Amazing biodiversity. That's all I've got to say about it.
Okay, we've had the
Ready?
green light. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, you're definitely gonna win. I'm turning. I'm turning. Didn't even make it. Oh, whoa. Got him eating it.
On a video.
Yeah, he like proper. Oh, hello, little. Oh, the colours on the back of their neck are incredible.